just left my hotel, which is quite literally in the road next to the cathedral, and we can hear the bells ringing for a service. Last night there was a free performance of opera on the steps just outside the cathedral, which was an unexpected bonus. Being a Sunday, it's particularly busy here in the centre.
Service in English.
Close on Monday.
It's nice visiting these major attractions late at night, actually, when it's a lot cooler and a lot less busy. But I thought I'd come out my hotel room and catch those bells ringing for the service. There's the dome round the side. You can pay to climb up the dome, and it's quite a magnificent sight, but you have to book in advance, and it was something I couldn't get to do on this visit because it was fully booked.